No crack line there.
Oh, you bugger. Gotta get me some flappy paddles. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yes guys, and welcome back to the channel. So you can hear the hoover in the background. Mel is hoovering her car out, ready for Wonderland this weekend. So a little bit of an update for you. We're going to do a channel update, a fleet update, because a lot's been happening just recently, so I haven't had a chance to get any new videos out there yet. We have still got videos to put out there, but people have been asking what's been happening with this, what's happening with that. So we've got a few little updates for you as to what's been happening. So I'll start off with the van. The van's been to TC Harrison's and had new timing chains on, as it developed a little bit of a slight rattle. So we sent it up to TC Harrison's, and Matt very kindly looked after us. Thank you, Matt. So timing chains are done on the van, it's all running sweet. We're taking it to the show this weekend with all the camping gear in. That's perfect. On to the next one. The Focus Estate has developed a whooshing noise. Now, on closer inspection, the breather pipe behind the inlet manifold has split very badly, so we've ordered a new one, so we're going to be fitting that in this video. The blue car restoration project, Focus ST, basically we've not done any further with that. Sort of like on hold a little bit at the moment, but we've been to Isle of Wight and it's been really busy, but we are going to get back onto that very shortly. That is a priority to get that done. Obviously we still need to get the wheels refurbed, the bumpers painted. We're going to get it all underbody restorated with Market Auto Mods, so that's something to look forward to. And put everything else back to standard, really. Not done anything to the ST, apart from hoover it out and clean it after the Woollerton show of all the dust that we got over the cars. Finally, the Mondeo. So the Mondeo we had a little bit of a mishap with. Somebody ran into the back of it and kind of didn't leave the details, so there's a bit of damage on there, which you'll see further on in the video. If you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later on. Right, so the progress with the Focus ST barn find car is it's sat in the garage. I've not got around to doing anything else with it yet. Going to get it down to marks, and we're going to have a good look underneath, see what needs replacing. Obviously the front and back bumpers are going to need painting, a good detail. So if any detailers are watching this, and we can get a video out of it into our advertisement for you, get in touch. Would like to get it all machine polished up, and then eventually we're going to get all the underneath powder coated and full underbody restoration. Also we're going to remove this exhaust and put a standard one back on, get the wheels refurbed and take the stupid dump valve off. But a little bit of an update for you is it's had a new battery on it, so now it does start and move under its own steam. Take two, the actual battery has gone flat, so I'm going to have to charge it. So I guess what I'm going to have to do is get that battery on charge. And see where we go from there. And if it still goes flat, it's going back. So it turns out the battery is okay. And I'd left the battery terminal loose. So now there's no jump pack on it. Straight up, look. Right, so little update on the estate, which is a daily driver. It don't see the channel much. Those that know. It was my dad's old car. It's actually a 1.6 petrol, and I just use this on a daily basis. but it has got the full ST kit on it minus the rear bumper. And basically we've split a breather pipe. So what we're going to do now is just going to get the bonnet open and we'll show you what is happening. And we've got Lou here and he's going to repair it for me. So we're under the bonnet now and we're looking at this breather pipe down here. And if you can see on the video, yeah, you can see that it's split. So when the car's running, it's giving a really bad hissing sound. And basically it's a nice cheap little fix. This is the part number that you need. It's about £5 off eBay. This little breather pipe here, look. So anyone with a 1.6 petrol that has that issue, that's what you need. Right, just a little comparison. Got the new one, not the old one. Genuine Ford part, been on the car since it was new. Look at that. Which is probably why it's been a bit crap on fuel. But that's well mullered. So what we're doing, Lou is replacing it with a nice shiny new cheap eBay part. And while we're at it, we've whipped Mel's wheel off and put the space saver on. The wheel was gone down to Auto Mods to be fully refurbished after she curbed it all the way around in Isle of Wight height. Women drivers, eh? So the wheel's back from refurb. Massive thank you to Auto Mods. Looks as good as new. So I'm just going to swap it out now. Ready for Wonderland, which by the time you see this video will be done. Mel's got the Hoover out. She's going to be sorting all the inside out, see if she can win a trophy this year. Wheels on, nuts are all torqued, finishers going back in, jobs are good in. Over to the Mondeo, a little update for you on this one. Pretty fair. Somebody's backed into it and drove off. You can see here there's damage. There's damage there. Damage there, lot. Damage there. And it's also put marks in the bumper all the way along here. So basically that's going to have to go in and be repainted with Alan at Body Mech. So I guess we can do a video on sorting that out. Right, so while we're making use of the longest day of the year and loads of daylight, we're going to get these XC90 calipers painted, because you've just seen the video of us fitting them, and I did obviously want to paint them beforehand, but just time didn't perceive. So I'm going to get the wheel off and I'm going to get these painted. Right, so the wheel is off. Let's get some blue paint on the calipers. Right guys, so that's the second coat on. As you could probably see by the light, we're starting to lose the daylight now, so we're just working with what we're working with. Tried to do them as best as I can in the time frame. We'll get the wheel on and we'll have a look what it looks like. Right, so while that side just finishes off drying, I thought I'd come around to this side and just show you what it looks like with the wheel on. Obviously wheel was very dirty, it shows all the dust up with the light on it, but yeah, really happy. Just need to put my wheel caps back on, but before that we need to torque the wheel nuts up to the right setting, And also I've got some blue ones somewhere, but I might change these nuts because they're like a rainbow effect. Right guys, I'm going to call it a night there. Plenty done. A little bit of an update for the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really does help the channel grow. So I do thank you very much. And we'll see you on the next one. Peace.